Manila Mayor Isko Moreno has signed an ordinance appropriating 200 million pesos for the procurement of COVID-19 vaccines should it become available. With the funds in place, Moreno said the city would be able to buy the vaccines immediately without having to wait for the passage of the 2021 budget. While the city is under modified enhanced community quarantine, COVID-19 serology testing machines have been deployed. They go around barangays in Manila giving free COVID-19 testing. Aside from COVID-19, Moreno says other diseases such as HIV, cancer, hepatitis, and tuberculosis will also be traced through serology testing.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.